everybody. Hey, good morning. I know not a lot of people stirring this morning, but I am. Hey, bite me. Going to court this morning. What's up, Tammy, Lynn? Thank you, man. Appreciate it. What's up, Bill? North Chester County News. What's going on, my friend? George. Paul, what's up? Thank you. Figure I'd take you guys along for the ride. What's up, X? That's your boy News. What's happening? Kurt, what's going on? Mofos, what's up, Missy? Is that Mossy? Forgive me if I can't read your name right. I'm trying to drive and go down the road. What's up, Brian? Wake County, no, it's Halifax. Halifax County. I got a 2-hour drive. Well, not quite 2 hours. So I've been driving for a little bit already. It's about 2 hours from the house. I hear you, Paul K. Trucking. I'm trucking too, Country Boy News. Just a different kind of truck. On the interstate now, it's most of the way, I guess. No, I'm not bringing the camera into the courtroom. They don't allow that, so. I knew what you meant there, Brian. No, I don't even think you can carry your devices through the door, man. Which is, it's fucked up and against the Constitution. But hey, whatever. The judges, in these courthouses, don't even let you bring them in the courthouse hardly anymore. Usually they used to let you bring it in the courthouse. What's up, News Now, Princeton? What's going on? They used to let you bring it in the courthouse, but now they don't even let you bring it in the courthouse at all. Now some of them you still can, but very few down this way. Don't wonder misdeeds may. Yeah, exactly. I know that's right, Countryable. Yours is bigger than mine. Right. So I'm just gonna take you guys along for the ride. What's up, FB? Ain't seen you in a little bit. Gonna nice place to sit after. I guess it depends on how long it takes. Going with the wind, says Chris. What's up, Chris? The moon, what's up? Let's see if I can read your comment. What's up, Jeff? Best of luck. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Have enough money to pay a book. I know, right? Thank you, FV. I appreciate that, man. That cruiser, what? Looks relaxed. Right. Heard that. Free Spirit, what's up? Thank you. Appreciate that. Like I said, I thought I'd bring you guys along for the ride. Pretty long ride, so I usually try to go live when I'm on the way wherever I'm going. But I'm headed to Halifax County. If you guys just jumped in here, going to court this morning, yeah, y'all hit that like button for me. I'd appreciate that. Going at the same time in the morning. at this time of the yeah, it's not bad. And again, I'm on the interstate pretty much the whole way. Going to court in Halifax County, which is Roanoke Rapids, North Carolina. Up there by the Virginia, or up there by the border, man. It's pretty damn close to the Virginia border. Not far at all. For my arrest, the video's not out. Lawyer said it best to not post the video, and I agree. For my arrest in Halifax, me and Carolina auditor got arrested for trespassing and resisting an officer, which is not resisting an arrest. The reason why they said it was resisting an officer because we didn't produce ID. But you know, everybody knows that unless you got RAS, you don't have to produce ID. Yeah, we was at a National Guard Armory outside the gate, parked on the side of the road, and they arrested us. So, depending on how court goes today, I'll probably upload the video, the next, couple of days, I guess, depending on how it goes today. Thank you, Defend, damn it, Patriot Defense. Sorry about that. That's right, Free Spirit. They arrested us for trespassing on National Guard armored property, but I carry a map with me wherever, in my pocket on my phone, right? So we look at these places before we even go out there, just to make sure, that we don't go on their property, right? And almost 100% of the time, well, actually it's 100% of the time, we don't we don't trespass on property, So, hey Elena, thank you so much, I appreciate that. Hey Becky O, good to see you this morning. Damn, I seen a comment. I want somebody to ask me something. Where's Matt? I don't know where Matt's at. I think Matt moved. Yeah, right. Right, Free Spirit. I mean, wait till y'all see the freaking video, man. Wait, I mean, it was total bullshit, and I can't wait to show you guys the video, because it was bad all the way around, especially the second officer that showed up. He had an attitude right off the bat. Y'all remember that video where we was out there filming parked on the shoulder of the road, and one cop, he was cool. He's like, well, if you don't want to give me ID, that's cool. You got my tag number, which is fine. Another cop pulls up, and I asked him for his name and badge number. He said, what's your name? I told him Pudding Tang. I said, well, you're not going to identify. And he's like, well, you're going to identify. You get that we got a call out here. I said, I don't care about you getting a call. I'm not giving you my ID. I said, make me give it to you. That's exactly what I said. Make me give you my ID. And he proceeded to ask his partner, how far do you want to push it? Meaning, do you want to arrest this guy or me for failing to ID? And the other officer said, well, he's not doing nothing wrong. So it's about the same kind of deal. Damn, that dude's got his lights on his mirror, dude. That's fucked up. Y'all see that? Anyway, the reason why I'm telling you is it's almost the same kind of deal. And then I asked for supervisor. Supervisor gets there. He's worse than the damn 2 officers that's already there. The 2 deputy sheriffs. He's worse than them. So that just made, he escalated. What's up, Rooster? Keep those cameras rolling. That's right. So the supervisor, Carolina Auditor, walked across the street, and he's like, "Get out of the street! I'll arrest you for walking in the street." And he was just crossing the damn road. So they was, just one of the biggest, tyrant videos that I think I've got. Which, like I said, I haven't posted it yet. Almost like the Deputy Hernandez, the one that went hands-on with me, and snatched me off my tailgate, just because he didn't want to bend down and look at it. But he ended up bending down and look at it anyway, right? Because the supervisor got there and told him to take me out of the cuffs because he was going to arrest me for that. So it's, you know what I mean? It's just fucked up, dude. I hope everything goes good today, but you know how courts are. Hopefully, the judge and my lawyer, which I do have a lawyer, hopefully he represents me well. What's up, Bo Hunter? If not, then I'll see what goes on. I mean, I don't know, man. It's a flip of a coin. 90. Well, no, it ain't, because it's 80% chance that I'm gonna get fucked today. Maybe even 90%. And I hate to even have that mentality, but that's reality, right? You can beat the rat, but not the right. Well, sometimes, free spirit, you can't beat either one. It all depends on the judge, right? And my lawyer, how well he defends me. And thanks to you guys, I was able to pay the lawyer off, right? Gave him his money. So thanks to you guys and your donations and stuff, that is paid. So I don't have to worry about that. Can we watch Survivor Court? No, they don't do that here. What's that? Patriot Defense consistency. That's right. That's absolutely right, PD. What's up, Ed? Appreciate you. With absolutely everything going on in the world, they worried about. I know, right? I mean, you got all this stuff going on. Absolutely, that's a good point. Good point, Travis. Everything that's going on out there, they're gonna worry about 2 guys with cameras, right? Thank you, Rooster. I hope so too, man. And that's all we ever ask for, right? Right, guys? We just ask for do the right thing, abide by the law, right? And that's what we try to put out there. We're law-abiding citizens that go out and record, right? Pat, appreciate it. That's all we ever want is to do the right thing, do what the law allows you to do, and that's what we do. The law allows us to go out and record these places. Hey Daz, good to see you, man. Thank you guys for being here, man. Like I said, I wanted to talk to you guys and have you go along with the ride, so I'm glad you guys are here. Thanks for support, man. Y'all are awesome. Like I said, this lawyer here is paid for, so that's good. And you guys did that. And I truly, honestly appreciate every freaking one of you guys, man. Terry, that's absolutely right. It's absolutely getting stomped on. What's up, Charles? I hear you, man. Yes, Paul K, that's right. You know, I'm going to post a video regardless if I win or lose, right? It's just going to be after all this is over with. You know what I'm saying? That's what, you know, that's what I'm going to do. No, this is not my Lee County case. Lee County, I'm still waiting on my appeal, my jury trial. You know, I've got a lawyer for that one. It ain't paid for yet in full. I don't remember how much I'm lacking on that, but it's probably, I don't remember what my pool's up to. I think about $500 left. You know, like I said before, you know, I appreciate everybody's contributions, you know, the donations. And if I don't get it, I'll sell something. You know what I mean? I'll do whatever I have to do to get the money raised. That's not, you know, that's not a big deal. I have no idea when we're going to go to court for that, though. I think it's on the calendar for the 27th, but it's been postponed so many times, it ain't even fucking funny. I can't read that. What is that? Orange? Probably said that wrong. Keep on fighting, Paul K says. All right, man. Appreciate you. That's right, PD. That speedy trial shit disappeared. It's like the Constitution disappeared when all this pandemic shit started, you know? Hey, Caterpillar, good morning. You know, Rooster, that's exactly what it seems like, man. But, you know, it is what it is. I mean, anybody that's out here recording or auditing, you know, it's inevitable. You're going to get arrested. You're gonna find these ones that don't abide by the law, and falsely arrest you, you know, illegally detain you and all kind of stuff, man. So, you know, it's inevitable. You know what I mean? Is that Raku? I think that's what Florida says the best. Thank you, man. It's a risk, yeah. It is, you know. Does that say Groucho? I can't. I'm sorry, guys. I can barely see my damn. You know, I'm trying to keep my eyes on the road too. On top of it, but everyone, please don't forget to shoot. What? Shot. Month ago. I heard that, was it FE2? Biggest pandemic out there is Texas. You've never seen them disappear. That's right, PD. Absolutely. The sun's about... Man, it's overcast. It's already freaking 80 degrees, dude. And I know it's talking about the weather, but it's already 80 degrees. That sun's picked to pop through these clouds here, these low-lying clouds, and it's gonna get toasty today. Hopefully, like I said, hopefully the judge plays by the rules today, I guess. What you going to court? Don't mind saying. I just got going to court for my arrest in Roanoke Rapids, North Carolina. I got charged with, hey John, I got charged with trespassing after warning and resisting an officer. So hopefully everything works out. Yeah, yeah, prayers going out to that family for sure. Brian says what the lawyer had to say. You know, they never will give you a definitive answer when it comes to, hey, what do what's my chances of this, or will they dismiss it, or any of this stuff. So they'll tell you got a good case, but the lawyers work for the same court, so they all tied together. And I would have got a lawyer outside the county or outside of the state if I could afford it, and that sun, goodness gracious. Yeah, that sun's gonna wreak havoc today. They say it's already 80 degrees. What was I saying? Oh, yeah, they work for the same courts, guys. They're tied in, so it's hard to find one that'll fight tooth and nail for you. It's really hard, and it's almost impossible to get one to do that that's in the county or in the state. It's really, really, it's almost impossible to get a brass balled lawyer that'll fight. You know what I mean? That'll go in there and say no, judge. You know what I mean? Just like, especially a constitutional lawyer, which is what I need. But it is what it is. Kick ass like you always do. Thank you for that. Well, I'm gonna sit back and hopefully, like I said, hopefully the lawyer does his job and what I pay him to do. What's up, Ricky G? What's the worst case scenario? Missy says, worst case, get found guilty and have to do jail time. So, or pay a hell of a fine. That's the worst case. It's always, jail time is always the worst case. Will they see my video? Probably so. If you beat the trespassing charge, then other should be thrown out. Yes, exactly. And I should beat it. In my eyes, I'm already beat it because, we never stepped foot on their property. So that grounds alone, that there should stand it by itself. They got to prove that I was on their property. And if they can't prove that I was on it, then the other charge is null and void, right? The resisting an officer is a mute point too, because I don't have to listen to him until I break the law. And they was talking about ID before they even said anything about trespassing. Think that would be the open line. That's right, Terry, you would think that, but jail time for not breaking. I know. Well, let me refresh y'all's memory. I did go to court in Lee County for trespassing and disorderly conduct, right? for one, you know, disorderly conduct. Yeah, I was cussing, so that's free speech, right? Trespassing when I was on the side of the road. Was it trespass? Yeah, trespassing, disorderly conduct, I think is what it was. Anyway, or resisting an officer, and I can't remember now. Damn, it's been so long, and I'm being serious. I can't really remember what it was. But anyway, the judge gave me 30 days on both charges, so I got a chance that I'll have to spend 60 days in jail. There's a chance of it. So when the judge did that, I immediately appealed it. So that's what I'm waiting on now, is the appeal. You guys hit that like button for me. Yeah, no, yeah. I mean, Terry, I am not in control of my fate. It's in the hands of a lawyer that's tied into the same court and the same government that arrested me. So, absolutely right. And it shouldn't be like that. Thank you, Miss Joe. It shouldn't be like that at all. I mean, if you abide by the law, you shouldn't have no problem, right? But we all know there's tyrannical government out there. That's right, Pat. It's kidnapping, you know? Kidnapping, I mean, there's all sorts of things, you know. It's false imprisonment, you're right. I mean, it's crazy. Then there's breaking the oath. You know, they swore to uphold the Constitution, and that's what I stand on, right? I stand on it. I stand behind it, and it, you know, it's discouraging when you have to go through this stuff. You know, it makes you think, hey, do I want to keep doing this? You know, do I want to keep pushing the boundaries of getting arrested or not getting arrested? You know, it's just, that's right, video evidence, and it just don't matter, man. Am I going live after it? Probably, it depends on the outcome, I guess, but I may go live. What's up, Cannabis? Thank you, man. Thank you, Dillinger, I think how you pronounce that. That's right, Terry. They supposed to stand on it too and stand behind it, the Constitution, and they break their oaths. I mean, on a daily, hourly, right? Every time they come in contact with somebody. Just like my last video. My last video, if you guys haven't watched it on NC Tyrant Hunter, you need to go check it out, right? It ended up, the cop tried to tell me, both of them tried to tell me I had to move on the other side of the road, right? One cop said I can't be on that side of the road and I can't walk across the driveway, right? I mean, he was standing on that like it was solid concrete, and I told him I could. He said, well, no, you can't. So I said, watch me do it, right? That's when his partner said, okay, yeah, there's an easement there, you know. And actually, the cop that was telling me all this, first, he said I had to go across the street. And then when he figured out I knew what the hell I was doing, he backtracked and said, okay, yes, this is an easement. You can do, you know, you can walk here. And then the other cop actually admitted he was wrong and actually apologized. So if you hadn't seen that video, go check it out. It's the last one I uploaded. It's called Unfreaking Believable, or something like that. got your PD. Yep. Well, I think that's the plan. If it don't work out. Yeah, FV. Yeah. I mean, I thought that was a one of the best videos as far as educational purposes, right? And they even said something about maybe showing the video at roll call or something, just to like I won't gonna say training video, but it would be a damn good training video, right? First you try to tell me I couldn't stand where I was standing, right? I couldn't walk across the driveway. Told me I had to go across the street, and then backtrack when you figured out I know what the hell I was talking about. I know my rights. I was standing on them. You're not gonna fucking infringe on them. So that's when they started backing up and started agreeing with me. The other cop agreed, apologized, admitted he was wrong. If more cops did that, then this would be a better place. The world would be a better place. If they figure out, hey, yes, I was wrong, I apologize, I don't know, and he even admitted he don't know every law, which I don't, I know they don't know every law, right? He said in 4 years he was doing it, he never came across somebody, walking and recording on the easement of the state right away, right? So it actually was pretty cool. What did I say? Ish something or other? I don't know how to pronounce that. What's up, Mega? Want to check that one out? Yeah. Go give it a look, man. It's pretty cool. What's up, Poor Dirt Farmer? Thank you, man. I need a 4-leaf clover. So, I mean, it's bad when you don't break the law and you got to go to court and spend money and shit, right? Can you record? I guess that's record. No, you can't. It's a freaking shame is what it is. It's a freaking shame that I mean, it's bad enough. It's bad enough. You go to you get traffic tickets. Victimless crimes, right? With speeding tickets or no insurance, no registration, no license, or whatever, right? It's bad enough when you break the law, you got to go to court, right? That's bad enough. Speaking of tickets, they said, look, if I wasn't in a hurry, I'd go stop to that cop watch right there. Uh-oh, where'd he go? Oh, he just left. Look, he's just pulling up. There he is. Yeah, unmarked. It's an unmarked state trooper. Hey, Amanda, what's up? It's bad enough when they say you're breaking the law when you doing all that stuff, right? Getting tickets for speeding and whatnot. But when you go to court, when you don't break the law, I mean, that's freaking ridiculous, right? I mean, it's freaking ridiculous that I got to, spend money or time, driving to a court, and I hadn't even broke the law. I hadn't even broke the law, and I still got to do it anyway. Ain't that something? Absolutely no reason why the truth should ever be right. I can't read some of you guys. What's up, TS? That makes me happy too. Tell the judge that. Well, I'm not going to be able to talk because I got a lawyer. He's going to have to talk for me. Y'all know the drill. Once I get a lawyer, I can't even talk to the judge. Unless he asks me or put me on the stand or something, then I can. But as far as just bringing that to his attention, I have to wait until I'm called upon, because they do not like you speaking up at all when you got a lawyer. I've had them say that. You got a lawyer, you let him talk for you. That's what you pay him for. You know, jump down your damn throat when you try to interject or you know, have something to say. Yeah, they don't like that too much. And I damn sure don't want to get a tent of court, man, because they just, you know, they throw your ass in jail for that too. Woo. It's crazy. Absolutely freaking crazy, man. Keep him on a short leash. Yeah, that's hopefully, hey, Love Troll, hopefully he does his job accordingly, right? Hopefully he represents me to the best of his ability. Again, they work for the court, so that happening is probably maybe a 50-50, right? Maybe not even that. Maybe a 70-30 that he don't do it, you know? Not to talk to the police. Yeah, I got your PDF. Again, thanks for riding along with me. What's up, Chain Weaver? Good morning. Thanks for riding along with me, guys. I really appreciate it. Makes for a better, you know, road trip, right? When I got you guys riding along with me, you know, it makes the time go by faster because I'm talking and you know, talking to you guys. It keeps me from thinking the worst, you know, because you know when you get ready to go to court, and a lot of you guys can attest. No, the wife's not with me. I'm by myself. There won't no sense in her sitting up here. You guys can attest. Oh man, what was I saying? Shit, I lost my train of thought now. Oh, you guys, the ones that have been to court and have been arrested, know that, at least in my case, my mind, you know, goes through the scenarios, right? My mind goes through the worst case. You know, I mean, what's up, Wobbly Boost? I know in my case it does, right? I'm thinking the worst, right? Hey, they're gonna lock me, you know, they're gonna put me in jail. You know, they're gonna give me, thank you, man. Thank you, Wobbly. They're gonna give me, you know, 30 days per offense like the other one did. You know what I mean? Now I'm gonna have to appeal it, and you know, they're gonna lock me up. They're gonna make me pay a damn bond again, or you know, just all kind of stuff runs through your brain, man. It does me anyway. Thank you, John. I mean, that's just the way my mind works, right? Public defenders do not have the best. I don't have a public defender. I actually got a lawyer, thanks to all my supporters. No jaywalking. I got arrested for trespassing after warning and resisting an officer. And a lot of you guys already know, but some may not. Resisting an officer don't mean I resisted arrest. It just means I didn't do what he told me to do, which was produce ID. That's what that is. And that's bullshit too, because without RAS, I don't have to produce my ID, right? Reasonable, articulable suspicion, right, guys? Everybody that follows me knows all about that, I'm sure. Oh man, thank you, PD. You didn't have to do that, man. Thank you. I really appreciate that. That'll go towards, I'll put that towards my other lawyer fee. Jaywalking is you can get arrested for jaywalking. Not just jaywalking though. If you jaywalk, you don't want to give your ID or something. Give me your name. But they can, yeah, they'll arrest you for that. Absolutely. May not be a legal arrest, but they can arrest you for that. They can arrest you for spitting on the fucking sidewalk, dude. You know, if there's a city ordinance or something to that effect, they can arrest you for anything, dude. And if you don't do nothing for them to arrest you for, then they'll make something up. That's what happens. Oh, he did this, or oh, he did that, you know. Well, pay your fine. Yeah, well, I mean, if I get a fine, I'll definitely have to pay something. I got you, PD. Yeah, but I'll put that towards, you know, any donation goes toward, listen, any donations or contributions to my Super Chat, PayPal, Cash App, any of that stuff goes towards my auditing, right? It don't go towards nothing else. It goes towards either equipment, gas, hotel stay, lawyer. You know, that's what it goes for. I don't, you know, I don't go out and buy groceries with it, even though if I needed to, I would. Because I don't think nobody had a problem with that. But, you know, I didn't go on vacation with people's donations. You know, I didn't buy a gun with people's donations. You know what I mean? So, you know, all the money that gets donated gets put right back into my channel or channels. You know, my activism. So. That's right. You're not jaywalking if you're on the side of the road. That's right. Thank you guys for being out here with me, man. Always prepare for the worst. Yeah, that's right. I mean, that's what I do, man. I don't know about you guys, but I think the worst when stuff like this happens. You know, when anything, dealing with anything, really, I think the worst. My wife gets on to me about that, about thinking the worst, but I'm like this: think the worst and hope for the best, right? Ain't that the saying? That's right, PD. Yeah, I mean, I'm not trying to, I didn't say all that just to, appease anybody, but I wanted to just let you guys know that that's what happens. You absolutely right, I shouldn't. But that don't mean I won't, right? Funny makes you feel better than bad. That's right, Terry? My country respects this law. I got you. Thank you. Thank you, import. Oh, man. What does that say? Imports life. I hope I got that right. I hope I got that right. Maybe I probably did. I probably did, but oh well. That's right, Rooster. It's not even a coin flip, really. because it's stacked against you before you can get in there, right? I mean, it really is. I'd say it's a 70-30. 70, I get fucked today. 30, I don't. And that's, you know, you may not PD, but, you know, I know when I went to the court for the Lee County one that happened almost 2 years ago, he showed up. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, one of the officers that were there don't even work there anymore. I think that's what the lawyer told me. I'm not 100% on that. The catfish cheese, is that how I guess I said that right? What's up? Yeah, I feel like I've been driving for 5 hours already. It's a long ways out here, I know that. But I'm gonna shut this thing down here in a minute. Thank you guys for being here. I really appreciate you guys, man. More than you guys know. It's good. It's awesome to have support. Thank you, Terry. Appreciate you being here, man. It's awesome to have you guys support. You know, it keeps me motivated. It keeps me wanting to keep going. Oh, this truck's awesome. I love this truck. What's up, Reverend Fuzzy? Again, thank you guys for being here, man. I really appreciate you guys. It's 2 hours, about 2 hours, Jane Weaver. So I got up at 5 this morning. Right on, Rooster. Travis, what's up? Appreciate you guys being here. Thanks a lot for the good luck wishes there. I appreciate it. I'll do a live on the way back. On the way back home, I'll do a live and let you guys know what happened. That's for sure. Thanks for all the support, man. Without you guys, I'm nothing. So y'all look for me to go live and something. It may take all day. It may take an hour. It might be postponed when I get up there. I don't know. So thank you guys, man. Appreciate all you guys. And I'll talk to you guys later. Always remember to keep those cameras rolling, baby.